How are you using AI in your business and how is it helping you deliver impact?
I would definitely say, Brandon, that AI is something that makes our life very easier. So when we started, we just say that we Bearcraft bridge the gap between rural artisan and the global small and medium enterprises, integrating United Nations Sustainable Development Goal. We are technology. Now we say we are AI-enabled software as a service platform. So there are multiple places where we are actually integrating AI in our business. A is when you figure out to train manpower, which is the trained artisan. Across, we have about 20 crafts listed on our platform. So most of them are the Indian, but then we have the some of the African crafts now as well on our system. So when you come on the platform, you're a SME, access it. A is you get to know about the trained manpower just by clicking onto the few metrics. The importance is just we want to see which geography you are from, etc., and provide you the nearest option. The second is where we are using is you can see the raw materials through this technology, which means that if we use cotton or linen or silk or anything, there are so many variants of it, like more than thousand of variants in every fabric, right? Now, traditionally, the people has to go to the shop, choose the linen, choose the fabric, and there is lot of transactions that are involved. That people moving, you go to the shop, lot of things are being used, but now you can just see the different variants of a particular fabric and pick and choose from there. The third place where we are using the AI is actually to increase the local economy. And how do we do that? So when you pick up the logistic service on our platform, it will give you the option to choose from the international logistic services, like your many more international logistic services and the local services. So basically, if you're sitting in India, you want to transport just within the borders, you can actually go forward and choose the local transporters to do your work.